After successfully install virtual machine, let's run Ubuntu. Giving my username and password. I have installed the SSH earlier, so let's check the status by the following command. It says active and running. Now start Xshell and connect. Giving my user password. Connection established. For seeing the directories under / running command ls /. Now let's run whoami to see the user. Now sudo add user Rashid. This is to use add user. Giving password and entering values. New user created. Now ID Rashid to see status. Now sudo del user Rashid is to use delete user. See status. No such user. Now creating a file using touch rsh.txt. Now changing ownership using sudo chon rashid rsh.txt. Sorry, the user I had removed. Let's add a new user, Rashid. Now changing ownership, sudo Rashid rsh.txt, and change permission, sudo chmod 600 rsh.txt. Now let's try to write something. Echo my name is Rashid rsh.txt. Permission denied because the text file ownership is changed. Now touch rashid.txt. Let's see the file list. Now write my name is Rashid to rashid.txt. Let's read the file using cat rashid.txt. Now let's create two more files. Let's copy text from rashid.txt to rashid2.txt using cp command. Let's see the status. Yeah, copied successfully. Now let's move from rashid.txt to rashid3.txt. Let's read the file. Yeah, move successfully. Let's try to read Rashad.txt. Oh, no such file directory. Let's remove the file using rm command. Let's clear the screen. Now update apt using sudo update apt, then installing nano package using apt command. Now installing MySQL server using apt command. Now installing Apache 2. Now installing htop. And at last sudo apt install btop. Now clear the screen. Let's enable efw. So first of all sudo efw allowing SSH, then sudo efw enable. Yes. Now see the status. Yeah, it is active. Now allowing 22/TCP port and deny 21/TCP port. The rule is added. Let's see the status. Yeah, successfully added. Now let's delete port number 2. Successfully deleted. Let's again see the user. Who am I? So that's all. Thank you.